Danu, the prince's mother, transformed Jayaparus and Kang Chimui into statues. Oh, why that? So that the villagers will always remember the king and that he will always protect